In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ask AI in ClickUp and start using ClickUp AI to work faster, smarter, and more efficiently in 2026. If you're using ClickUp for task management, projects, or team collaboration, this feature can save you a lot of time by helping you write, summarize, and get instant answers right inside your workspace. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signing in with the correct workspace where you want to use ClickUp AI. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard, where you can see your tasks, spaces, and projects. Next, look at the top area of your ClickUp interface and click on the AI option. ClickUp AI is integrated directly into the platform, so you don't need to install anything extra. When you click on AI, this opens up ClickUp's AI tools and options. Now, from the AI section, click on Ask AI. This is where you can directly interact with ClickUp's AI and ask questions or give it instructions. Once Ask AI opens, you'll see a text box where you can type your query. This is where the real magic happens. Go ahead and type in your AI query. For example, you can ask ClickUp AI to summarize a task, generate a task description, create meeting notes, write updates, or even help you brainstorm ideas. You can be as specific as you want to get better results. After typing your question or instruction, submit it, and ClickUp AI will generate a response based on your workspace data and the prompt you provided. You can then review the response, copy it, edit it, or directly use it inside your tasks and documents. This makes it incredibly useful for saving time and reducing manual work. You can repeat this process anytime by clicking on AI and selecting Ask AI whenever you need help. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to ask AI in ClickUp and start using it to boost your productivity. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow ClickUp tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.